So my dear students, today we will discuss the continuation of the chapter, especially the last part of the chapter from lesson number 5, the civics part. The last two topics, that is the Lok Adalats and the partial and independent judiciary. So my dear students, let's begin.
My dear students, every citizen of India has an easy ace to the court if they feel that their rights are violated. So they can easily approach to the court for justice. However, it is not easy for every citizen because it is difficult for poor to get justice, as the legal procedure involves a lots of money and handsome amount of money is required to fight and get justice. Well, time and work paper is also involved. For poor people who is not literate enough or don't understand the legal procedures or the legal formalities of any case, or the family depends on daily wage, that is a person who earns daily to eat their food daily or to meet their basic needs daily, for them going to court to get justice seems difficult. So in order to reach the deprived, the Parliament enacted the Legal Service Authority Act in the year 1987. It provides for settlement of dispute through Lok Adalat. These are the voluntary agencies which are monitored, that is, which are looked by the state legal aid and the advice boards. Well, the main object of Lok Adalat is to provide speedy justice to parties through amicable settlements free of cost. No amount of money, time is required, no amount of money and paperwork are required to give justice to the poor people. Especially this Lok Adalat is for the poor people who cannot afford and those who are not enough educated to deal with the legal cases. So they have provided to be a successful alternative forum for resolving the disputes. Students, now we will discuss about impartial and independent judiciary. Well, students, independence of judiciary is one of the most important characteristics of rule of law, and it's essential in order to uphold democracy. To maintain the decorum of the country, independence of judiciary is very important. Due to the separation of power, the Supreme Court acts as an independent body. Well, the influential and rich people are capable of influencing the judge for taking an independent decision. They can use the power of money and influence the judge and change the decision. There are also people who try to influence the judicial process in an unfair manner. They invest lots of money, they just influence the judicial process as well. So in order to avoid such situation, the Indian Constitution has made the judiciary an independent body. One aspect of this independence is the separation of power, which means the other branches of the state like legislatures and executive cannot interfere in the work of judiciary. So when there is separation of power, other branches of power cannot interfere. The Constitution has provided such provisions that ensure that judiciary remain independent in matter of appointment, tenure, pay, etc. Only the selected head can appoint whom to appoint for what post or tenure, for how much long time a particular person can hold the position, or the amount of payment is totally an independent matter. All the judges in the High Court as well as in the Supreme Court are appointed with little interference from the other branches of the government. Once appointed, it is very difficult to remove a judge. A judge can only be removed, as I have discussed earlier, the judge can only be removed on the ground of misbehavior. Process is called impeachment. Well, the Supreme Court of India is called the guardian of the Constitution because it has the power to declare a law passed by the Parliament as null and void. So the Supreme Court has the ultimate power and it is called the guardian of the Constitution. It is the independence of the judiciary that allows the court to play a central role in ensuring that there is no misuse of power by legislature and executive. It also plays a vital role in protecting the fundamental rights of the citizen of India, because anyone can approach the court if he or she believes that their rights have been violated or they are prohibited to use their fundamental rights. So that's all for today, students. Here is the end of your chapter number 5 civics. Hope you like the video. Thank you.